Paul's going to do 22 Tier 1 from a fresh. Distributor puts labels on it. 22 Tier 1. There's grease on the outside of this thing. You ever notice the dirtier the case, the bigger the hits? True story. Or maybe it's not true. Don't look it up. Alright, where's the 12-sider? Here we go. 1 to 12. 1 to 6 on the left, 7 to 12 on the right. Number 6, Paul, bottom 1. That's right, Blue, that's right. The Gypsies. Saying they're dirty? Oh, I thought another truck just pulled up. Starting with Teoscar Hernandez, number to 349. Game used jersey. TJ is $2.99. That's a rookie autograph. And old school Mazeroski, $2.99. Got an old school, a rookie, and a mid school. All right, there you go, Paul. Thanks again, man.